So today's October 29th, 2025. For those of you that follow, I did an announcement about the first rate cut for 2025, and I warned everybody that there was a strong possibility that as soon as that cut hit, interest rates would go up. And unfortunately, they did. So here we are a month later. We had another Fed rate cut. And unfortunately, the exact same thing happened again. We have watched interest rates continue to slowly go down, which is awesome. And then the moment that we had that interest rate cut, boom, interest rates shot right up. So I think what's important is to kind of go over the why, right? It's not just the fact that the Fed cuts interest rates that makes interest rates go down, right? In addition to that, even when they do cut interest rates, the cut takes time for it to really affect long-term interest rates. I mean, a mortgage is 30 years long, so they really want to see how the market's going to react. So the two things that really hurt us was, number one, when the Fed votes, they usually kind of get together, they have a meeting, and I'd say almost 9.5 out of 10 times when they come out and make an announcement on a Fed cut, they all vote the same way, in unison. This time, we actually had one Fed member that dissented, that basically said, hey, I don't think we should have a rate cut at all, and voted against the rate cut, which, although that is not something that has never happened, it is unusual. So that was one of the things that we experienced during this Fed rate cut. And then number two, we were kind of told this year that we were going to see 3 Fed rate cuts, one in October, one in September that we already experienced, and then one in December. But during the announcement, Federal Chairman Jerome Powell went ahead and said that he's not planning on guaranteeing anything in regards to a Fed rate cut in December. Whether or not they're actually going to do the cut, or maybe they won't at all, just him saying that created a knee-jerk reaction in the marketplace to kind of shoot interest rates up. So hopefully it was just a knee-jerk reaction. Hopefully we see the market adjust. We watch interest rates continue in the trend that they have been in the last couple of weeks, which is headed downward. Fingers crossed. Pray to the loan gods, but unfortunately, after the rate cut today, interest rates for mortgages, they went on the upturn.